Everyone talks about Microsoft Copilot and how this AI assistant is our future. But let's talk about cost of these licenses. Are $30 per month per user is not too expensive? In this video I will deep dive into the cost of the Microsoft Copilots products that offers AI assistant functionalities for your Microsoft 365 or Microsoft Cloud environments, how it differs between the market, what is the source of this cost, and is it really expensive, and for what we really paying here. This video is extract of the free course I prepared, Be Copilot Ready. I took the information from multiple lessons across the preparation for the Microsoft 365 Copilot and Generative AI, and to show you really what is the business case behind the Copilot price. In the description of the video and in banner on the screen you can find the link to sign up for free for this course. And if you like this video, I highly recommend you to leave the thumbs up. If you want to get the notifications and support this channel, please subscribe. And if you will have any additional questions, leave them in the comments. So first of all, we need to understand that Copilot's products are not the cheapest products on the market. Copilot Pro costs $20 per month, Microsoft 365 Copilot $30, but Copilot for sales directly for Dynamics 365 costs $50 per user per month. At the same time, it's good to understand why we have to pay that level of money, where there are multiple free generative AI tools that we can use without any additional costs. In this video, I will show you the main risk behind using free generative AI tools or paid generative AI tools, which using your privacy and your data also as a currency. So let's check how the privacy settings looks for ChatGPT and what could be possible risks based on one lawsuit that documents that very well, and what are the alternatives to have secure version of the ChatGPT and what are the costs there. So let's take a look on the privacy policy dedicated for the ChatGPT and ChatGPT Plus. Again, paid service from OpenAI for individuals, which clearly state that every data you will put there could be analyzed, could be used to train the model, could be also business transferred, and OpenAI will have the possibility to use it in case of evolvement of the ChatGPT or also improvements or the large language models that are behind. And you can wonder, okay, but what is the really risk behind it? Should we be worried about large language model that will learn based on our data? And we moving to the lawsuit from New York Times against OpenAI that shows what could happen if large language model will use your data, in this case New York Times articles, and how this data could be, let's say, leaked through the prompts, through the answers, responses from ChatGPT to the users. And you can exactly see how outputs provided by ChatGPT 4 covers the data from the actual text of New York Times. And this is very well documented examples where large language model was taught based on the data from New York Times and providing maybe not 100% actual data from New York Times, but very similar information that was present there. And imagine that your users uploading the content of your strategy to ChatGPT or ChatGPT Plus and asking please improve this text. And that data can be used to teach large language model, and your concurrency can ask, tell me what is the strategy of this organization? And there is a risk that not directly but indirectly ChatGPT could leak part of your strategy, part of your documents, part of your data to the concurrency through the responses provided by large language model. And you can ask, okay, so what is the alternative for using ChatGPT or ChatGPT Plus? You need to switch to the business models, business subscriptions provided by OpenAI, ChatGPT Enterprise or ChatGPT team. This is quite new license which is more suitable from cost perspective. And in this case, OpenAI strictly says your data will not be used to train large language models. You will own still your data, and you will also control how long the data will be retained, but this is only available in the ChatGPT model. But to have this guarantee that your data will not be indirectly leaked through ChatGPT prompts and responses, you need to switch to GPT Enterprise or GPT Team. And this is also reflected in pricing. So you can already see if you're using free version of ChatGPT or plus version of ChatGPT, your data is not secured. There's no corporate data protection. Your data could be leaked through ChatGPT. You need to switch to Team, which is new license, $25 per month in the annual subscription, or $30 per month per user billed monthly. Or to Enterprise, and in this case I dig in what is the price of the Enterprise license, which offers a little more control about your data and more administration functionalities. It costs $60 per month with 150 seats minimum. You can also imagine why Microsoft 365 Copilot have this specific licensing at the very beginning. Probably this is a little copy of Enterprise license from OpenAI. But again, you already see to secure your data, you need to move to the much more expensive licenses. And free tools will not provide you that kind of guarantee that your data will be safe there. This secured infrastructure provided in the business solutions from ChatGPT or business solution provided by Microsoft in Copilots, this is something we're paying for. I hope this video show you the difference between free generative AI tools and commercial enterprise ready products. In the free tools, you're paying by your data. In the enterprise solution, you're paying by your money. But you protect your intellectual property, value of your organization, and you can be sure that the data will not be leaked to your concurrency. Again, Microsoft Copilot is not the cheapest product on the market, but at the same time, from the market perspective, the price is quite reliable. At the same time, we could expect that in the future's costs of the large language models and generative AI solutions will go down, and hopefully same thing will happen with the Copilot products across Microsoft environment. I also recommend you check the description if you want to get more information about generative AI and Microsoft Copilots. Sign up for the course I prepared for you. For now, thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.